Good afternoon, good afternoon. How are you all today? Jestina is back in the kitchen. Today's menu is gonna be minced meat rolls with salad, or you can wrap it too in your tortilla wraps. Give me thumbs up if you like what I'm doing. As you can see, I have my coriander, I have my mint, mixed salad, minced meat, I have my oil, ginger, garlic, 150 grams of yogurt, and these are the vegetables that I'm going to use for the meat and the salad. So you can stay tuned and let's get started. It's also presentable. See, and they are all like nutritious, healthy, and that's the seasoning that I'm going to use today. I'm going to use cumin, al-Qaeda, black pepper with salt and chili flakes. So I'm going to start to peel my garlic and my ginger. We're going to peel them. So as you have seen, I've already peeled my garlic and my ginger. They are all fresh, so now I'm going to crush them or grate them, and then you'll see how it looks later on. Fresh garlic is really healthy, with ginger too. Put the garlic in my blender. So now I'm going to take a handful of mint and a handful of coriander. We're going to add them into the blender. So now I've already washed my coriander with my mint. I'm going to add it into the garlic. And then you add in water. I'm going to chop my jalapenos and then add it in to the blender. I've already blended it and this is how it looks. So now I'm going to mix it into the yogurt, and then now I mix it up. You can taste the salt if it's enough. If it's not enough, you can add a little bit of salt or any seasoning to your satisfaction. So this is how it looks, the dressing. Now we're going to put it in the fridge. Now part 2, I'm going to peel the onion. Now we're going to chop the onions. We add in our garlic and then our ginger. I've now chopped my peppers, the red, green and the yellow pepper with half of the onion. It's now in my blender together with the garlic and the ginger. Now I'm going to blend it. And so now let's open our packet of minced meat. It's 1000 grams, 1 kilo. And then we add the meat into a bowl. And then the ingredients that we have already blended, we're going to add into the meat. Into the minced meat. I'm going to add these ones into the blender too. And then we blend them too. I am so crazy with mint and coriander. I'm going to add in my mint and my coriander into the peppers, the different types of peppers with the onion, and then blend it. After I have done that, we're going to add them into the meat. These are all the wet seasonings that I've added in. So this is how it looks. Now we're going to add in our dry seasonings. The chili flakes, just 1 teaspoon. If you want to add more, spice it up to your satisfaction. My al-Qaeda, 1.5 teaspoon. I add them in. I have my grounded cumin, 1 teaspoon. Add it in. Add in my black pepper, 1 teaspoon. So now I'm going to add in my lemon. Just half will be enough. I'm going to press it first. And then add it into it. What we're going to do is now we're going to mix everything together before I'll show you what to do next. After you have mixed everything up, then you have to start rolling the minced meat rolls to the sizes you want. And then you can start frying it or into your air fryer. This is how it looks. I have my red onions, cucumber. So what I normally do is cucumber have too much of water and I'm going to do salad. So I have to take out all the seeds off and then let me show you what I do. I normally do this. Do it this way, just to get the seeds off. You can leave the seeds if you feel like. For me, when I'm doing salad, minced meat rolls that I'm doing, I want to take all the seeds off so it won't be so much of water. And then now we can slice them. There won't be any water in the salad. If you don't want radish, don't add it in. I have to slice it very thin and it has to be like too much of onions in it. So I'm going to slice both of the onions. Add in the onions. And then your tomato, you can leave it whole if you feel like. I'm going to use ice bag salad. And this salad, this is mixed salad. So these are the ones I'm going to use. Use any salad to your satisfaction. So you can see I've already sliced my salad. I'm going to wash it, rinse it. I'm already done with my salad. Now we're going to make the rolls. First I have to dip my hands, all my hands with gloves into oil first. And take the amount that you feel like you want. For me, I'm just going to check whether this one will be good. Okay for me. If you want, you can make it smaller. If you want, you can make it bigger. So it's up to you to do the size that you want to do. And then put it aside. And when the smell of this minced meat is just incredible. It smells so good. The mint and the coriander together. Oh, if you're eating it with salad without the tortilla wraps, it's okay, you can make it a little bit bigger. But if you are adding it into the wraps, then you have to make it a little bit smaller so it would fit with all the salad and all the ingredients that are coming in. So now I've already done all the rolls, as you can see. So now we're going to start to fry them on a high temperature until it's brown. And then I take them out. So stay tuned, I'll show you what to do next. Let me just put my cooker on. I'm going to spray in oil. As soon as it gets hot, then we start to fry them. Fry them in your air fryer if you have any at home. So if you like what I'm doing, thumbs up. And don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Just hit the bell down below and subscribe. So I'm going to start to lay them inside. high temperature for it to get brown. And you have to keep on turning it so it won't stick. It smells so good. And it looks so beautiful. Golden brown. The smell, oh my God, the smell of the lemon. This is gonna be delicious. So as you have seen, they are all done. Isn't it beautiful and delicious? It looks yummy, isn't it? I already preheated the oven to 275 degrees. So now I'm going to cover it with foil and then put it inside for it to get cooked properly inside. But I just fried them to get brown outside. So now the rolls are now done. I've taken them out from the oven. As you can see, they look so good. Now we're going to fix the wrap and then it will be ready to be served. This is the tortilla wraps I bought. You can use any type you feel like. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay in my foil paper. I have my salad, my tomato, onions that I've already sliced with the cucumber. And then with this dressing that I did before, this is the one I started with. This is the one you're going to add in. And then I'm going to add in my salad first. The onions, tomato and cucumber. And then one of the rolls inside. This is going to taste so good, I'm telling you. And then we wrap it up. So it's now done. You're welcome. You're all invited. Or else, if you cannot come, make your own. It's so easy and quick. If you don't want to put it in a wrap too, you can just serve it in your plate. And your dressing. That's it. So you can as well serve it like this too. It goes anyway. Bon appetit. You're all welcome. So those you are fasting, this one is really good for you. It doesn't take time to digest and it's healthy. It's not heavy, so you can eat it when you break your fast. So I love you all. Take care of yourselves. Bye. See you next time.